Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green hills and flowing rivers, there lived a little boy named Samir. Samir loved to draw and paint. He would spend hours sketching animals, trees, and colorful birds on scraps of paper. But Samir's family was poor, and he couldn't afford fancy paints or brushes. He used old charcoal sticks and made colors from crushed flowers and leaves. One sunny morning, while Samir was exploring the forest near his village, he stumbled upon an old, twisted tree with a hollow trunk. Inside the hollow, he found a strange, shiny paintbrush. It was golden, and its bristles sparkled like sunlight on water. Curious, Samir took the brush home. He dipped it into a bowl of water and painted a small fish on the ground. To his amazement, the fish wiggled its tail and came to life. It flopped around until Samir quickly picked it up and placed it in a nearby stream. The fish swam away happily. Samir realized that this was no ordinary paintbrush. It was magic. Whatever he painted came to life. Excited, he ran back to his tiny house and started painting. He painted a basket of fruits for his family, and the fruits appeared, fresh and juicy. He painted warm clothes for his siblings, and they magically fit perfectly. With the magic brush, Samir continued to create things that helped his village. He painted a new roof for the school, and it instantly appeared, solid and strong. He painted a cart for the village elder, and it was ready to use. Samir used his magical brush to bring joy and ease to his community. One day, a storm raged over the village. The river swelled and threatened to flood the homes. Samir, holding his magic brush, quickly painted a high, strong wall along the riverbank. The wall appeared instantly, holding back the floodwaters. The village was safe. Samir realized the true power of the brush was not just to create things, but to protect and care for those he loved. From that day on, Samir continued to use the magic brush to help his village, always painting with a kind heart and a purpose to make the world around him a better place.